Hey everybody out there in podcast, social media land. This is Sarah Giovanetti, owner of The Naked Peach, licensed esthetician teacher and licensed massage therapist. Today we're going to showcase how to use the Gua Sha tool, how to use the Jade Rollers, and how to use cupping. And what's really great about these tools is it helps to depuff the skin. Nobody likes bags around their eyes, and it helps to drain your skin of toxins and activate the lymphatic system. Peach. So then what you want to do is take a little bit of relax oil, put it on the face. And what's nice about the Jade Rollers, it feels really, really good. And it also helps with lymphatic drainage because you have glands in your body that helps get rid of toxins in your body. And when you use the Jade Rollers, you only need to use them very lightly. And what it does is it really helps to activate the lymphatic system. And if you're feeling like a little puffy, things like that, this will help to drain it. And of course you can use this a lot of times. You can put these also like in the fridge. And the Jade Roller, and that acupressure too, you can use to activate the lymphatic system, but Jade Rollers is an excellent way to activate the lymphatic system. So of course it's just going to help to release the toxins and puffiness out of your skin. What's nice about the Gua Sha tool, of course you want to use it on a 45-degree angle, but when you're using it, you really, and this, I love using this for like anti-aging, because you can really get in there and work those muscles more so than if, you know, you're just using your fingers. And what's nice about the Gua Sha tool, you know, when you use it, so I really suggest using this with the lifting facial, like, you know, it's like a fitness for your face. So now with these, what you do is you press it, and then you put it on the skin, right? And then you get a suction. And then, so you don't want to get red marks on your face, so you're going to put it on and you're going to pull. See? So we're going to be able to help increase circulation. And this is going to help with circulation. Same thing on the face. And then just, and I like to just work one side of the face at a time so I have a little more control. And you can see it's increasing the blood circulation. It helps with lymphatic drainage as well. So that is the Jade Roller, that is the cupping, and that is the Gua Sha tool. So hopefully you guys like this video, and take care and stay safe.